In this video, you'll learn how to use EasyODM's machine vision software for grain inspection. We'll cover everything from loading images and selecting neural network models to visualizing detection results and customizing settings. By the end, you'll see how quick and easy it is to perform accurate grain analysis. Let's get started. Open the File Iteration window and click the Open Directory button to select a folder containing images for grain inspection. Now navigate to the Neural Network Models tab in the Grain Inspection window and click Select Directory under the Models section. Select the folder containing grain segmentation and classification models. The program automatically picks the correct models based on their names. Now turn on the camera by clicking the toggle button. If necessary, input sample amount or batch number, then click the Start Analysis button. The first analysis may take a few seconds to initialize the models, but subsequent analyses will be faster. View the detection results on the screen. Each grain class is represented by a different color. Hover over the grains to see their classification. Use the Rendering tab to toggle contours on and off by grain class. Click the Next button in the File Iteration window to navigate to the next image, and wait a second for the model to load before performing further analysis. And that's how simple it is to inspect grains with EasyODM. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.